This is the easiest way to create t-shirt designs that sell. Whether you're creating t-shirt designs for clients or for yourself, it can be hard to start from just a blank canvas. And that's why tons of professional designers and I myself use Kittl. For one, there's literally thousands of templates for every popular niche that you could think of. Two, there's unlimited illustration content because for myself, it's hard to start off with nothing and it's a lot easier to start off with some inspiration. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of templates that you can choose from, especially if you're doing a t-shirt design. And let me show you exactly how easy it is to edit. So all I'm gonna do is click on this one right here, and now you're pretty much free to edit all these elements however you would like to edit it. And what's also cool is that you can create multiple artboards on just one project alone. So for example, if you have a sleeve print on your t-shirt design, we can go ahead and create another artboard in the exact dimensions that we want it to be. And we can also create, for example, if this is the back, we can make this a front left pocket print. So we can also name it back, front, left, chest, sleeve. Now all we have to do is click this right here, edit the text, and check this out. How simple it's going to change it to the exact way that it looked. Right now it's showing us what we're spelling out, but it's going to be really simple for it to change. And now we're going to do the same thing for this one right here, and there we have it. Now we can delete what we don't like and we can keep what we do like as well. It's really simple to make changes. For example, maybe I just want this to be a really simple design. I'm just going to move this down here, move this text right here so it's a little bit more easier to read. I do like this right here. And let's go ahead and move some of these stars as well. And now that we have that, I'm going to click on this one right here. And let's say, for example, you wanted to move this text to the front. Layers is also not a problem on here. So you can even bring this to the front, or you can go ahead and move the layers around down here to whatever it is that you may like. And let's say, for example, we wanted to add this text right here to the sleeve. We can copy it, paste it, and I'm just going to drag it on over and check that out right there. Now I have this text also for my sleeve print. And I can also bring this right here. And let's say we just wanted a text of our brand for the front print. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this right here, paste this again. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring it on over to this artboard. And they also make it really, really easy for you to change colors, just like that. So for example, if I had a white garment and maybe I wanted to see what a different color may look like, so I could simply change the colors really easily. But what's also cool about Kittl, you can also see what the mockup's gonna look like right on this exact same platform. So I'm gonna click on mockup right here. So I'm gonna click on the artboard that I want to see on a mockup, and there we have it right there. You can see the mockup right there. So it's easy for you to post this on your store or send this to your clients. Kittl has completely changed the game when it comes to creating t-shirt designs. It's really simple and easy now. If you want to give this a shot, go ahead and click the link and you can try this for free today.